Everyone, welcome back to my page. I am Santanika, and today we're going to talk about all the vessels that we use in our kitchen, in our life, and everywhere. So, in case you haven't followed me on Instagram, I'll share my profile right here so you can follow me for more updates on fashion, nutrition, and lifestyle. So, first of all, what are the copper utensils and why are they so beneficial? And क्यों बोलते हैं कि copper का पानी पियो? So first of all, copper vessels are generally they have the ions of copper because they are made up of copper. Now what happens when we store water or we store food in copper vessels overnight? It doesn't happen in an hour or so, but it takes place on a gradual basis. In at least you have to keep it overnight or for a period of 5 to 6 hours. Then the ions from the copper metal enter the food and hence they help in fighting waterborne diseases like diarrhea, dysentery, typhoid, which are very common in children. Then what happens is even copper जो है वो it helps in the absorption of iron. So in case you're suffering with anemia, कॉपर का जो पानी होता है या कॉपर लेडन utensils, they will help you fight the weakness or the deficiency of iron and helps boost your immunity. Then copper is also very good for detoxification. So whenever you feel that you're loaded or you've had a big hangover, so having copper loaded water helps in detoxification of the body and makes you healthy and fit. So having copper helps in keeping good skin and bright skin because it helps in the regeneration of cells. So if you want good skin, you should have copper laden water. But the only trick is that you shouldn't have water above 710 ml because it can lead to adverse effects such as nausea, vomiting, fainting, liver damage and even kidney damage. So पीजिए but limit में पीजिए. You shouldn't have like 2 or 3 liters of copper laden water because that is not good for your body. Only till 710 ml or approximately 700 ml is fine, but not beyond that. सेकेंड टाइप का वेसल हमें याद आता है वो है एल्यूमिनियम एंड वो सबके घर पे है. इनफैक्ट एवरी हाउस होल्ड हैज़ एल्यूमिनियम यूटेंसिल्स रिगार्डलेस ऑफ हाउ मॉडर्नाइज्ड वी बिकम. Firstly, because it is cheap. Secondly, it heats money, transfers heat very quickly. And thirdly, it is lightweight. So because of these reasons, aluminium is a popular choice in many households. But the problem is that if you take and buy an aluminium pan today and you wait after 5 years, you will see that there is significant loss in weight, which shows that aluminium has been transferred to food. Now, when aluminium is transferred to food, there can be many hazardous effects to your body, such as it can react with acidic food items. Acidic food items like lemons, tomatoes and vinegar, and it can make the food even more problematic for the body to adjust and to absorb in the system. Secondly, it can also dissolve in the food items and make several health issues which can also lead to food poisoning, जो कि बहुत ही सीरियस प्रॉब्लम है इंडिया में. इट कैन लीड टू फ्रीक्वेंट हेडेक्स, nausea and vomiting like chances. It can also lower IQ in children. So that is the reason why, if possible, try and avoid aluminium as much as possible. Lastly, I feel earthenware is such versatile cooking item, though it's very difficult to find them these days, but definitely you can find a few in online stores or in websites where they do sell earthen vessels. Now earthen vessels are the mitti ka vessels that we get. Our purvaj or ancestors used to cook in it. There are many benefits. Firstly, it helps to retain the nutritive quantity of food. So whatever the nutritive quantity is, it helps to restore it, as food in it is cooked very slowly. That is why nutritive quantity is stored. It is very beneficial for heart health. For maintaining heart health, please have food in earthen vessels. Then it regulates pH balance. It helps in providing minerals. Like, since soil has minerals, that same soil matka or the vessel helps to transmit it to food. So it has good amount of iron, phosphorus, magnesium, which helps in the absorption of it helps in the absorption of calcium in the body and makes your bones very strong. Lastly, it is very environment friendly. So in case it is breaking down or anything, it will just mix to the soil. It won't have any adverse or bad effect to the environment. What are the demerits? The only demerit it has, it takes a lot of time to cook because obviously it is a bad conductor of heat, so thereby it takes a long time to prepare the food. Then it is, if it's very delicate, the temperature is very delicate. If you go really high, there are chances that it might break during cooking, and that might seep into the food. Also, when you're washing them, we have to be extremely careful. We can't use the normal dish bar, because that just retains in the matka, and the next time you cook, that might enter your food. Even some seafood like fish, or salmon that we have at times, if we make it there, it holds the smell of it, and the next food item that you prepare, it will seep into it. So that are the few demerits of earthenware. Apart from that, I personally love earthenware and would love to cook in it one point in my life. So anyway, that's all for today. Just in case you found this video informative and you could use it in your daily life, or you would follow a few tips from here, then please let me know in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to hear about them. Thank you guys. Please subscribe to my channel in case you like the video. Thank you.